Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best budget cordless vacuum available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best budget cordless vacuum, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Dreame 10 Pro Handheld Vacuum 7x3,000 mAh battery pack and a high-speed 120,000 RPM brushless motor. This vacuum delivers a powerful 150 or 20 kilopascals suction to effectively pull up hair, dirt, dust, and debris, making it ideal for cleaning your entire home. With a long-lasting battery, this vacuum cleaner provides an extended runtime, allowing you to clean for a longer period without interruptions. The high-speed brushless motor ensures consistent and efficient performance, delivering strong suction power and reliable cleaning results. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 5-layer filtration system, which helps capture and trap up to 99.9% of particles, including allergens and fine dust, providing cleaner air in your home. The vacuum cleaner boasts convenient features including a multi-cone cyclone dust separator for efficient dust separation, one-press dust cup emptying, an anti-tangle extension tool, a bendable crevice nozzle. Furthermore, it is lightweight, emits low noise, and comes with a convenient wall mount for easy storage. Dust, dirt, and hair have nowhere to hide thanks to dual LEDs mounted on the front of the brush head. The V-shaped, multi-surface brush roller effectively removes dust and dirt from virtually any kind of floor. With a unique front aperture design, large debris gets more easily cleaned off of carpet, not pushed around. Number 2. BUTURE 450 watts 38,000 pascals cordless vacuum. Compared with traditional vacuum cleaners, BUTURE cordless vacuum is equipped with a color touch screen. By pressing the +/ button, you can change the 3 cleaning modes. You can track the status of battery level, suction level, brush roller tangled and dust sensor blocked in time for a smart cleaning experience. Forget those weak vacuums that always have residue. Our BUTURE cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with 450 watts powerful motor to ensure an unprecedented suction up to 38 kilopascals, dedicated to picking up all surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. Beats 90% of the vacuum cleaners on the market. The cordless stick vacuum is equipped with a 2200 mAh 7-cell battery that ensures a thorough cleaning of an entire 200 m2 house, with a maximum cleaning time of 55 minutes. Spare battery is available in the store for longer runtime. Fully charged in 4-5 hours. Number 3. Liectroux i7 Pro Cordless Vacuum. Clean wet or dry messes and tackle tough and sticky messes on hard floors with ease. It can adjust suction, water flow, and brush roller speed to clean any and all messes. The brush roller is designed to glide closely against baseboards and clean hard-to-reach corners. Your floors become completely dry and streak-free in minutes. The clean water tank is 30% larger than the last gen, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, so you're always cleaning with fresh water and solution. Never touch a dirty roller again. The hands-free, self-cleaning function automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller, for fast, mess-free maintenance. The pet hair strainer makes pet hair removal quick and easy for homes with pets. The 3-inch -1 docking station stores and charges the unit for utmost convenience. Number 4. 2024 Wireless Handheld Vacuum. 2024 Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner 15000 Power Suction, 2-speed adjustment portable foldable stick cordless vacuum for home. 15 kilopascals powerful suction, more thorough cleaning, home cleaning, car cleaning, and mite removal. 3-in-1 LED front lighting, clean no dead ends, flexible and foldable for use. Suitable for vacuum. 150 watts powerful dual motors. 5-layer filter system, more thorough cleaning. The electric mite removing brush removes dust, dander, mite, etc. hidden deep in the quilt and mattress. The package includes 220 volts European standard plug or 110 volts American standard plug. Number 5. Original Dreame V9P Wireless Vacuum. Original Dreame V9P Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner Portable Cordless Cyclone Filter Carpet Dust Collector Carpet Sweep. Purchase lithium battery pack. Energy saving mode operation about 60 minutes. Electric mites brush, deep cleaning mattress, and fabric to the rate of 99.9%. 2-in-1 brush, fine cleaning every corner. Family and car cleaning mobile portable cleaning. Dust cup capacity 0.5 liters. 1 button dumping. 10 fingers do not dust. Using Space 3.0 brushless digital motor. 0.3 seconds lightning start, about 100,000 speed per minute. Charging time is about 3-4 hours. Battery capacity 2500 mAh, rated power 400 watts, rated voltage 25.2 volts, suction power 120.